When thinking about home security, most homeowners in Laurel focus on alarm systems, surveillance cameras, or strong locks on doors. While these are essential, one of the most overlooked aspects of home protection is your windows. Old, damaged, or outdated windows can be a weak link in your home's defense, making it easier for intruders to gain access and harder to maintain a secure environment. Replacing your windows with modern, high-performance options is a smart investment that significantly boosts your home's overall safety and peace of mind. Outdated windows. A security risk. Many older homes in Laurel still have original windows made of single-pane glass with aging wooden frames and outdated locking mechanisms. These windows can easily be broken or forced open, making your home an easier target for burglars. In fact, statistics show that a significant percentage of break-ins occur through ground-floor windows. Even if the glass isn't broken, deteriorating frames, warped seals, and old locks may not hold up under pressure. If your windows don't close properly or their locks are hard to engage, your home is far more vulnerable to forced entry. Modern windows offer advanced security features. Replacing your old windows with newer models instantly enhances your home's defense system. Today's windows are designed with safety in mind, using stronger materials and innovative technology to deter break-ins. Here's how. Reinforced frames and glass. Modern window replacements often include double or triple pane glass that is harder to break than older single pane versions. For the highest level of protection, consider laminated or impact-resistant glass, which holds together even when shattered. Reinforced frames, often made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials, resist warping and make it more difficult for someone to pry them open. Advanced locking systems. Today's windows feature multi-point locking systems, which secure the window at several points along the sash or frame. These locks are more reliable and tamper-resistant than traditional single-latch locks. Some models even include key-operated or smart locks that integrate with your home security system. Tighter seals and better fit. New windows are custom measured and professionally installed to ensure a snug, secure fit. This prevents easy prying or lifting and eliminates gaps that could be exploited by intruders. A tighter seal also helps with weatherproofing and noise reduction. Enhanced privacy and visibility control. Security isn't just about preventing break-ins, it's also about maintaining your privacy. Replacement windows in Laurel come with optional features like tinted glass, frosted finishes, and built-in blinds between the panes. These options make it more difficult for outsiders to see inside your home, reducing the temptation for opportunistic theft. Some modern window designs also allow for better placement of exterior lighting or motion sensor lights that can further deter unwanted visitors. Increased peace of mind for Laurel homeowners. Replacing your windows is more than a physical upgrade. It's an investment in your peace of mind. Knowing that your home is protected by high-quality, secure windows allows you to feel safer whether you're at home or away. It also reduces the likelihood of damage during storms, which can weaken your home's structure and provide entry points for intruders. For families, especially those with young children or elderly relatives, the added safety is even more valuable. Many new windows are designed with safety stops or limiters, which prevent them from opening too wide, a helpful feature in preventing accidents. A valuable, long-term investment. Improving your home's security with new windows also has financial benefits. In Laurel's competitive housing market, buyers are often willing to pay more for homes with updated, secure features. Plus, many insurance providers offer discounts on homeowners' policies when impact-resistant or security-rated windows are installed. Final thought. In Laurel, where the safety and security of your family and property are top priorities, replacing your windows is one of the most effective steps you can take. With enhanced locks, stronger glass, and reinforced frames, modern replacement windows provide a vital layer of protection that older models simply can't match. If you're considering a window upgrade, partner with a trusted local installer to explore options that fit your style, budget, and security needs. A safer, more secure home starts with strong, reliable windows.